Welcome to our coverage of the Community Engagement Program titled Strengthening English Skills and Digital Branding for Karang Taruna as a Strategy for Developing Village Ecotourism. This initiative forms part of a continuous effort to empower rural youth, particularly in Kadugenep village, by enhancing their capacity in international communication and digital promotion. The program aims to empower Karang Taruna, the youth organization, as the driving force of the village younger generation in promoting local tourism potential to a broader audience. With the growing interest of travelers seeking authentic rural experience, the ability to communicate in English and to implement digital branding strategies are two key competencies the local communities need to develop. The activities commence with the arrival of the facilitation team in Kadugenep village. A warm and welcoming atmosphere was evident from the beginning, marked by the gracious reception from village officials and local residents. This initial interaction laid a solid foundation for a strong collaborative relationship between the community and the program team. The first community meeting took place at the village hall, attended by the village head, Karang Taruna representatives, community leaders, and several local entrepreneurs involved in tourism and the creative economy. In this forum, the facilitation team initiated a participatory discussion to jointly identify the main challenges and needs faced by the community in terms of communication with tourists and the promotional efforts for the village. The discussion revealed two key needs. First, the limited ability to communicate in English when interacting directly with foreign tourists. Second, a lack of understanding regarding digital branding concepts and practices, particularly in leveraging social media and digital platforms as effective and sustainable promotional tools. To gain a more comprehensive understanding, all participants were asked to fill out the short questionnaire. This survey included questions about their current English proficiency, previous experience with using social media for promoting the village, as well as their expectations and goals for joining the training. The data collected served as a crucial reference for the facilitation team in designing targeted and relevant training materials. Upon completing the initial data gathering, the facilitation team invited Karang Taruna representatives to collaboratively plan and training schedule. The planning process took into account the participants' availability, location access, and the readiness of the training infrastructure. The training sessions are designed to combine theoretical insights, hands-on practice, English conversation simulations, and digital platform exploration, including tools like Instagram and TikTok. The participants' enthusiasm was evident throughout the planning phase. Many expressed aspirations to become tour guides, social media managers for the village, or even local entrepreneurs who can reach wider markets. Their collective hope is that this program will open up new opportunities for the development of the village's potential, not only in tourism but also in enhancing the overall local economy. This training program is expected not only to build individual competencies but also to foster a sustainable village-based promotional ecosystem. In the long term, the intended outcomes include the creation of community-generated tourism content, improved engagement with international visitors, and the development of a strong digital identity for Kadugenep village on both national and global stages. This marks the beginning of a shared journey toward a more resilient, independent, and future-ready tourist village. The initial training sessions will soon begin, focusing on improving English communication skills and mastering digital branding strategies. Stay tuned for the next updates from this program and don't miss the training materials that will be distributed through face-to-face sessions, printed modules, and community-based communication platforms such as WhatsApp groups and Karang Taruna forums. Together, let us realize the vision of Kadugana Village as a creative, open, and competitive tourism destination in the digital era.